Got a little something in the mail today. New grab bar. I'll have to replace this one. I gotta get rid of that. Can't wait to get that on. Got mix match bolts. Let's see if they fit up with this one. Okay, comes with some washers. No instructions, but I think I know how this one bolts up. Whoops. Get in there. This one's going to be a little too short. I think they are. I might have to find different bolts. They're just a little short. I gotta find just a little bit longer bolts. Okay, let's see if these fit. Well, that stopped recording while I was in the middle of it. Heard my phone bing and I looked over and it wasn't recording. Well, it's in. It was easy to install. Looks so much better. Let's see what the plastic's on. Okay, I got the grab bar on. Just waiting for the engine to get here. Don't know when I'll get that back. Hopefully soon. But yeah, that looks so much better than that 6-pack thing I had on there. It's coming along. It's almost there. Now it's ready for the whippet flag. Well, here's another dumb purchase. Got this in the mail today. It's supposed to be similar to the old school stuff. Yeah, this isn't high quality. Didn't expect it to be real high quality, but I think I've seen better at dollar store. I don't know what kind of plating it is, but I don't know if you can see that. It's like partially gold and partially silver. Well, I guess it's better than having nothing on the trail, but yeah, that's pretty bad. I'm glad I bought one before I purchased a couple, but I could probably make something better out of Harbor Freight and some Dollar General tools or something. Oh, those are pretty bad. Well, I didn't pay too much for them. I swear they were on sale for $7, but they jumped up to, I think it was $11 I paid for these ones. And now I've seen them around $13. So people must be buying them like me. But all right, let's get it in the machine. Yeah, I'm probably going to upgrade that. Alright, well, I think I'm kind of at a standstill. I got the tail light back in after cleaning that up a little bit. Wiring harness is back in. Clean that up. So I got the voltage regulator hooked back up. Probably can't see it's down in there. CDI back in. Airbox in. The oil cooler I just got half mounted. I don't even have it tightened down. Just got it in there for now. It's not kicking around on the shelf. Pretty much headlights are done. Wiring's done. The only thing I'm waiting on is the engine. Hopefully hear something back about that soon. And hopefully get it in. But yeah, I'm pretty much out of things to do for now. I mean, I do want to do the seat, but I don't plan on buying that right now. So now I'm just waiting on the engine.